Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this set of videos, we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit from the present position of Capricorn to Aquarius and its retrogression from Aquarius back to Capricorn. Jupiter gets its transit on 6th of April 2021 and stays till 15th of September 2021 at Aquarius, and again it retrogrades back on 15th of September and comes back to Capricorn, and it will be there till 20th of November 2021, and there will be a normal transit on 20th November 2021 as usual from Capricorn to Aquarius. So we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit for each and every zodiac sign. Whenever the Jupiter is placed in a particular position, it will have certain effects. Also, the Jupiter aspects the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th house from the position where it is. So all the places where the Jupiter aspects will have a very positive effects. Considering this, many viewers had asked me the impact of the Jupiter's this transit and retrogression effects. I had already consolidated certain videos on the 2020-21 Jupiter transit. If you have not viewed those videos, I have provided the link in the description. You can select it and view all these videos. I had also given some percentage for each and every zodiac sign. So that will have a major effect. That has got a consolidated effect of all the transit, keeping into consideration of all the planetary positions. But there are certain viewers, they need to know the impact of the Jupiter's transit at Aquarius separately and its the retrogression effect separately. So that is the purpose I am releasing these videos for each and every zodiac sign with the impact of the transit as well as the retrogression. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign what would be the effect. Capricorn, the 10th zodiac sign. For Capricorn, when Jupiter moves away from the zodiac sign to the second house on April 6th and stays there till September 15th, this is a right time for them. They can get some good inflow of money during this time. The health issues will get reduced. Most of them were struggling for very long due to their health problems. They will find a suitable medicines and they get rid out of their problems. So this position of Jupiter seems to be highly encouraging for them. So we can say the position seems to be highly better, as Jupiter itself indicates the revenue part. Those who are in the field of communication, they can win out of their enemies. They can be more successful. Those who are in the lawyers profession, they can win out of many cases. Those who are not married for long, they can get married and settled in their life. Those who are in a joint family, some may get separated and try to make their own family during this time. Now Jupiter starts aspecting the 6th house. So they can win out of their enemies. Health issues will get reduced. So all their stress will get reduced during this time. Now Jupiter aspecting the 8th house, some may travel abroad, some may travel to other places. They can enjoy with their family. So a lot of lucky times can happen during this period. Jupiter aspecting the 10th house along with the Saturn is a right time for them to get a very good elevation in the work. Some may get promoted and come as a senior level. They can manage many team, many members. Some can find a suitable position in the government places also. Some of the politicians can get ministry positions also during this time. So this is all highly encouraging for them. Some may get name and fame during this time. So their identity will get exposed to the public. So this seems to be highly encouraging for them. Those who are looking for a job opportunities, they can try and win out during this time. They can find a suitable workplace during this time. When we see the negative part, now the Saturn aspecting the 7th house and Rahu is there in the 5th house. So the Rahu becomes free when Jupiter is away from controlling Rahu. So children may not study well during this time. They will not listen to their parents. So parents should be careful in the movements of the children. Again, when Saturn aspecting the 7th house, there may be delay in the marriages. Those who are looking for marriage alliances, they may not get successful during this period. Also, business will not be so smooth. There may be some sluggishness in the progress of business. There may be some understanding issues between the life partners as well as business partners. So they should be careful in all these things. So these are all the major effects of Jupiter transit from Capricorn to Aquarius. Now let us see the impact of the Jupiter's retrogression. When Jupiter retrogrades back to Capricorn, the position is not so encouraging, as some of them may find health related issues. They should be careful while going out. They should take all precautionary measures. They will put masks and do sanitization, etc., because this is a very tough time for them, because already Saturn is there as a ruler, as well as now Jupiter is Lord for the 12th and the 3rd house. So they should be very much careful during this time. So they should take all precautionary methods. They should consult the doctors and do their health check regularly during this period. Okay, when Jupiter comes back here, it starts aspecting the Rahu. So the 5th house becomes stronger. So children will study properly. They will start listening to their parents. So these are positive signs. Those who are looking for a kid for a very long time, this is a chance they get pregnancy and they will find a suitable results. Now Jupiter aspecting the 7th house, so the ill effects of Saturn getting reduced. So there are chances some may get good alliances. Some of the love marriage will get successful. Those who are looking for marriage alliance for very long, they will find a suitable alliance this time and get married. In business, there's a good time. There's a good understanding between the life partners and the business partners. So the conflicts between the husband and wife will get reduced, and some who are separated get united. Business will improve and lot of inflow of money can be expected during this time. Now Jupiter aspecting the 9th house, there's a good relationship between the parents, especially with the father and the father's side. Some may get assets from their father's side. All the motivational things can happen during this period. So it seems to be highly encouraging. But what is the difficulty here? Now when Jupiter moves away back to the Capricorn, it will not aspect the 10th house. Now Saturn aspecting the 10th house. Even though it is the own house, it may give some troubles those who are not justified in the work. So we can say for Capricorn, even though for the house Capricorn, even though Saturn is a ruler, when it starts aspecting its 10th house, generally what we think, it will not do harm to their own house, but at the same time, those who are not loyal in the work, those who are doing wrong things, who do not do justice in the work, they will get punished. So this is the thing that we should keep noted. So those who are not in justice, who are away from the loyalty, they should be very much careful, and they should avoid all such things, and they should try to be more positive in their approach. Otherwise, they will find a very tough time during this time. So this is the major effect of Jupiter's retrogression also. Comparing both the transit as well as the retrogression part of the Jupiter, we can say for Capricorn, Jupiter advancing, that is transit to Aquarius, seems to be highly beneficial